YouTube and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're just going to be doing base coat and clear coat on this red Toyota Corolla hatch. Brilliant little car, these things, I'll tell you what. I own one and I absolutely love it. And as soon as I saw this car come in, I told the other guys, get the hell away from that Corolla, man. I'm not letting you guys touch it. I don't trust that you'll do a good job. But no, I do really actually like these cars. They're great little cars. Sometimes I get people saying, oh, why do you drive a Corolla? Why don't you get a good car? And for me at this point in my life, I'm just trying to sort of save and get ahead, you know, pay the home loan down and all those things. And owning one of these cars is actually very helpful. It's economical, it's reliable, and it ticks all the boxes. It's not like too big, perfect for city driving, you know. Even your servicing and stuff like that, what do I pay, like $250 a year now, you know. Just get oil filter, fuel filters and all those basic things changed, and these little things will run forever, man. It's like a 1.8 litre. I actually have the manual. Mine is actually exactly the same colour as this. Not that you probably already know, because you've seen me spray my car a few times on the various channels I have. But yeah, this one here was just obviously a repair on the quarter panel, and we're just blending this saw. I did fix a stone tip or two on this saw. So yeah, just gave it a good tack rag down. Now we've got the 599 in the gun. I actually did a little bit of a cut through. What's going on? Ah, that's what happened. That's why it's going on all funny. Pressure's too low. If you touch that, it actually makes your gauges read wrong. They won't be accurate. It's all good. We'll make it work. So this is actually a bit of ground coat here in this gun. Just some old red from sitting on the bench. I'm just going to put that down first to sort of help with the coverage. Truth is, I probably don't really need to do this, but something to do. So it's actually like lunchtime in 10 minutes, so I think I'll just put the top colour on that. Yeah, I'm just going to be putting the colour down on this, and I'll just leave it over lunchtime. Let it flash off nicely over lunchtime. It's going to sit there for half hour. And I'll come back after lunch and lay some clear coat down. So for base coat, I'm using my new favourite gun, LS-400 Supernova Black Mamba edition. I got this on Monday, and I've been kind of blown away by its performance. I've been using it for both base coat and clear coat. Now down 25 PSI around there, probably the sweet spot for base coat. I'm actually yet to use this gun for quartz metallic silver blends and, you know, bonnets or something like that, where it's really going to show you whether or not it's actually a great base coat gun. Yeah, as you see here, it's just a little bit of a cut through. It's tough to tiniest little bit of colour there. Like, this colour is spot on, I can tell you now, it's really good. Yeah, honestly, you would have just about got away without blending that off. I probably could have actually just chopped that colour straight off without the blend. That's how good it is. The Barcelona Red Corolla 3R3. Gonna get this coat on nice and wet and try to get that coverage, get most of the way there for coverage. And then I'll leave that for a few minutes and put another last coat on and we should be good. Is that covered? No, not quite covered yet. Yeah, so I'm actually going to go out and put my lunch on, put my lunch in the microwave. My wife cooked for me last night. Love that. Back in a minute, gunners. Radio, so I'll put this last coat of base coat on and then I'm going to go to my lunch break and we'll let this base coat dry off nicely over lunch. Give it a good half an hour. It's actually going to help out. To make sure it's nice and dry before I clear it, and should retain a better gloss that way rather than trying to rush it, you know. That's probably about us, man. Yeah, loves it, baby. Radio, see you back here in half an hour. Radio YouTube, so I have my lunch break and yeah, we're back to this job here. So it's obviously dried down quite nicely, that base coat, and I've decided to use my SATAjet 5000 BRP 1.2. Why? Because I can. Well, I was actually planning on using my water, but it's got base coat in it, so we'll use that on the next job. Yeah, so one thing that you may notice about the SATAs, when you get the limited editions, they can't quite get the wrap on their guns the whole way around the gun, so you mainly just get it that side and that side. Not a big deal, but it's actually one thing that DeVilbiss you can get, like when you get the DeVilbiss limited editions, they're actually the whole way around the gun. So right on, well, too far, we actually probably turn that down. So I did warm that clear up again. It feels nice and clean with the tack rag anyway. It's usually a good sign. A little bit rough around here where the base coat's blended. I just give that a bit more of a tack rag because as I say, I could just feel it was a touch on the rough side. I want to get it up as clean as possible, save as much polishing as we can. Yeah, so obviously I do put a bit of faith in the SATA. I wouldn't be spraying a Corolla with it if I didn't. That's annoying. Okay, so everything in. Oh, this might be easier to do it actually, like this. See, I want to go 1.8, but it's actually hard with the SATAs. This is one thing that I'm not a big fan of. So you go 1.5, 1.9, 2. You go up and down too quickly. They're like nearly too sensitive. Whereas even with those little A and I gauges, you would get exactly what you want within 2 seconds. I know you're going to have the SATA fanboys. You just don't know how to use the SATA, man. You just hate SATA, man. You're just a SATA hater. No, I actually quite like this gun. But the truth of it is, would I spend $1,000 on this? Absolutely not. No way. I'd buy 2 or 3 Pro Lights for the same price. The other truth of the matter is, even with the what a Supernova, would I spend $900 to $1,000 on that? No, I wouldn't. Hey, I like them, but You know, if I didn't have any spray guns, if I wasn't the gunman and I needed to get some guns, I'd still go for my pro lights. They're affordable, they're well made, and they do good. You know, they perform. What else can you really ask for? But yeah, it's getting a killer finish, like replicating that factory finish quite well there, to be honest. So yeah, full fan, full fluid, 1.8 bar, and obviously still using the same clear as always. It's the standard clear. That's killer, man. That is a killer finish. I'm really happy with that. Nice looking Corolla, man. Got that factory finish to it. Not too much, not too little. It's nice and clean. Starting to come through with the goods, mate. Now they are a good gun. They definitely are a good gun. I mean, I can understand how people would justify spending that on a gun, but personally I couldn't. At the end of the day, I could get the same finish with most of the guns I've got out there in my gun collection. Yeah, as I say, I reckon this gun actually looks better in real life than it did in the photos. Nice, baby, nice. I love it. Now, I do like doing this shit. I do like painting cars still. After all these years, man, honestly, that is pretty close to off the gun. There's not much to polish in that, man. Unless something comes along and lands in it between now and hitting bait, I reckon that's off the gun. Have we got anything in there? Oh yeah, we got a couple here. There's two or three bits around this handle. Apart from that, man, that's pretty damn clean. Whoop whoop! Loves it, baby, loves it! Right, again, as I see you in the next one, paint some shit.